Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to find the sum of a Fourier series step by step. Start by identifying the function and its period, then choose the appropriate sine, cosine, or full expansion. Compute coefficients carefully using orthogonality integrals over one period. Simplify coefficients with symmetry to reduce work. Finally, sum the series at points of continuity and average at discontinuities for correct convergence. Begin by writing a0 as the average of the function over the period using the integral formula. Then compute n and bn using orthogonality integrals for cosine and sine, integrating over one full period. Apply even or odd symmetry to drop unnecessary terms and reduce computations. Simplify integrals stepwise and check algebra carefully to avoid sign errors before assembling the final series expression for summation. Quick recommendation: if you are studying long sessions, grab the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and focused while you work on Fourier series. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, stepwise tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After finding coefficients, analyze how to sum the series efficiently by using known Fourier sums or converting to complex form for compact expressions. For slow convergence, apply summation methods like Abel or Cesaro to tame oscillations. Evaluate the series at specific x values and compare partial sums graphically to confirm convergence. Always interpret results physically or functionally and verify values at discontinuities using average limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.